Good morning, students. Today we have to study 8.8 article of the chapter. The 8.83 article of the chapter is the dielectric, is the study of dielectrics and electric polarization. Means we have to study today what are dielectrics and what is electric polarization. So, what are dielectrics? Dielectrics are the insulating material or non-conducting material which can be used to store electric energy, because the main function of this dielectric is to store electric energy in that material, in this dielectric. How this dielectric store electric energy? Storing of electric energy in the dielectric material, in the insulating material or non-conducting material is called as polarization. This material gets polarized. How it is polarized? Now, we know that dielectrics is the non-conducting material, because in that material there is no charge carrier of electricity, there is no free charges, because we know that for the conduction of electricity through any material, some charge carrier of electricity are required, we call as free charges. But in the structure of dielectric there is no free charges for the conduction of electricity. Hence, dielectric is the insulating material, is the non-conducting material which is used to store electric energy. Now, when we place dielectric material in the external electric field, because we know that every material consists of large number of atoms, and each atom, we know that the structure of atom, each atom consists of positively charged at the center of the nucleus and negatively charged called as electron revolving around the orbit of the nucleus. In the electric field of the nucleus, this electron revolving around this nucleus, this is the structure of atom. It means that each atom consists of two types of charges, positively charged at the center of the nucleus and negatively charged around this nucleus. So, when we place dielectric material in the external electric field, there is displacement under the action of electric field, external electric field, there is displacement of positive charges and negative charges exactly opposite in direction, because of displacement of the charges in opposite direction, the substance, each molecule of the substance acquire certain moment, dipole moment along the direction of external electric field. This process is called as polarization of the dielectric. Polarization is the moment, dipole moment acquired by the substance in the presence of external electric field. This phenomena of acquiring the dipole moment of the dielectric material in the presence of external electric field is called as polarization. And the substance which shows this polarization property is called as dielectric. And there are some examples of dielectric. Dielectric materials are used as, that is, these are the examples of dielectric material, that is glass, wood, water, plastic, rubber, mica, so on. These are the examples of dielectric material, and all these materials are the insulator, that is the bad conductor of electricity. Now, how there is conduction, how this substance gets polarized. So we know that every dielectric material consists of large number of atoms, and all these atoms of the dielectric material are closely compact to each other with some regular lattices, and each atom, the structure of each atom, we know that structure of each atom, each and every atom of the dielectric consists of positive charges, at the center of the nucleus, and negatively charged, we call as electron, revolving around the orbit of the nucleus. It means that each atom consists of two charged region, positively charged region and negatively charged region, and these two regions have their own centers, The center of positively charged region is the center of mass of positively charges. The center of mass of positively charges is nothing but it is the center of gravity of positively charged region, positively charges. And negatively charged region having their center, there is a center. The center of negatively charged region is also called as center of mass of negatively charged electron. The center of mass of negatively charged electron is also called as center of gravity of negatively charged electron. It means that each atom there are two center of mass, that is positively charged region and negatively charged electron, and these two center are separated by a certain distance, and when we kept this dielectric material in the external electric field, it is found that there is displacement of this center of positively charged region and negatively charged region. These two centers are get separated from each other under the action of external electric field, so that because of displacement of this two center of charge region, each molecule of the substance acquires certain moment, it becomes a dipole. Each molecule of the dielectric acquires certain moment along the direction of external field. This is called as polarization. polarization. That is, the molecule acquire a certain electric dipole moment under the action of external field. External electric field is called as polarization because there is displacement of charges. There is displacement of positive charges and negative charges in the molecule of the substance under the action of electric field, so that substance gets polarized. Substance gets polarized. Substance shows some electrical property because it acquires certain electric dipole moment along the direction of external field. And after polarization of the dielectric, the substance dielectric shows this polarization property are called as dielectrics. Now, it is found that there are two types of dielectric because dielectrics are classified into two groups, polar dielectric and non-polar dielectric. The inpolar dielectric material consists of polar molecules and in non-polar dielectric material consists of non-polar molecule. So, what are polar molecule or polar dielectric and what are non-polar molecule or non-polar dielectric? First, we study polar dielectric. The molecule of polar dielectric, the molecule of polar dielectric is the molecule in which the center of positive charge, center of positively charged region do not coincide with the center of negatively charged region, so that this molecule acquire certain moment along the direction of external field. That is why this molecule acquire an electric dipole moment along the direction of external field, because the positively charged region positively charges at the center of nucleus. The center of positive charge in the nucleus do not coincide with the center of negative charge electron. Therefore, this molecule acquire certain moment along the direction of external field because of due to asymmetric shape of the molecule of that molecule, because of asymmetric shape of the molecule of the polar molecule. The polar molecule gets polarized. Polar molecule has certain moment, so that it becomes a dipole. Polar molecule acts as a tiny dipole. Because of displacement of electric charges, the molecule acquires certain moment, and this molecule is called as polar molecule. What is polar molecule? A molecule in which the center of gravity of positive charge nuclei do not coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron due to asymmetric shape of that molecule, so that this molecule acquires certain moment along the direction of external electric field. And in case of polar molecule, the molecule acquire the moment in the order of 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. In case of polar molecule, this dipole moment, and this dipole moment is found to be equal to 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. So, there are some examples of polar dielectrics, and the material which is used to shows polarization property, this material is called as polar dielectric, and there are some examples of polar dielectric. This is the representation of polar molecule, because center of gravity of positively charged nuclei do not coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron, so that this molecule acquire certain moment in a particular direction, called this substance gets polarized. This is structure. Now, another example is HCl. This is the representation of polar molecule, that is HCl is the polar molecule. Cl atom having negatives, we know that structure of HCl. HCl consists of H atom and Cl atom. Cl is negatively charged and H is positive charge, so that the center of positively charged region do not coincide with the center of negatively charged region. Therefore, this molecule is an example of polar molecule, have certain moment. Direction of electric dipole moment is always from negative charge to positive charge. Similarly, this is H2O molecule. H2O, H double bond, HOH have two bonds having bent in shape, form a molecule, that is H2O. This is positively charged, this is negatively charged. The center of negatively charged oxygen molecule, this is O, and center of these two positively charged atom, this is, and these two atoms, these two positively charged atom is inclined at the O atom at an angle of, I think, 105 degree angle of inclination, and this electric dipole moment is from negative to positive charge. This is direction of electric dipole moment. So, you write only what are polar molecule and what are non-polar molecule. Polar molecule is the molecule, polar molecule is the molecule in which the center of gravity of positively charged nuclei, center of gravity of positively charged nuclei do not coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron due to asymmetrical shape of this molecule. Therefore, this molecule is called as polar molecule. Therefore, this molecule acts as a tiny dipole, a tiny electric dipole, and if it is electric dipole, then this electric dipole has certain moment in a particular direction, and this dipole moment of polar molecule is found to be equal to 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. So, this is the and the material which is used, the material of this polar molecule is called as polar dielectric. Now, this is as shown in your book, the representation is given in this way. Now, second type of molecule, non-polar dielectric. Non-polar dielectric consists of non-polar molecules, and the examples of non-polar dielectrics are H2O2, N2, CO2, so on. These are the examples of non-polar dielectric. In non-polar dielectric consists of non-polar molecules. The what type of structure of non-polar molecule? The what are non-polar molecule? Non-polar molecule of a dielectric. Non-polar molecule of a dielectric is the molecule in which the center of gravity of positively charged nuclei, coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron because of symmetrical shape of that molecule. Due to symmetry of the molecule, the center of gravity of positively charged nuclei coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron. Therefore, this molecule have no electric dipole moment. This molecule does not show any electrical property. It has no electric dipole moment. So that, for example, this is the representation of non-polar molecule. This is positive charge at the center and this negative charge having same center, that is positively charged nucleus. Center of positively charged nucleus coincide with the center of negatively charged electron. This molecule is called as non-polar molecule, so that this molecule have no electric dipole moment. This molecule possesses zero electric dipole moment, so that this is the, for example, H2 H having same center. ऐसा पलटाया अपन ने, ये कोइंसाइड हो जाता ऐसा, इसको भी ऐसा कोइंसाइड किया तो ये सेंटर पे आएगा. तो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ CO2 मॉलिक्यूल. तर these are the examples of non-polar dielectric. Now, polarization is the phenomena shows by the material because of displacement of charges, displacement of positive charges and negative charges, so that substance acquire certain electric dipole moment, along the direction of external field. This process, this phenomena of acquiring electric dipole moment because of displacement of electric charges in the external electric field is called as polarization, and the substances which shows the phenomena of polarization, the substances are called as dielectric substances or polarized substances. That is, dielectrics are the polarized substances. Now, next article is Now explain the phenomena of polarization of non-polar dielectric in the presence of external electric field. So we know that the structure of non-polar dielectric. In non-polar dielectric consists of large number of atoms of the large number of molecules of non-polar molecule. Means non-polar dielectric consists of large number of non-polar molecules. And we know that the structure of non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecule is the molecule in which the center of gravity of positively charged nuclei coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron. This molecule is called as non-polar molecule, so that this non-polar molecule have no dipole moment, zero dipole moment. So that in the absence of electric field, what happened? In the absence of electric field, what type of property shown by non-polar dielectric? And in the presence of external electric field, what type of property shown by non-polar dielectric? So it is found that in the absence of electric field, each non-polar molecule have zero dipole moment, so that total dipole moment of this non-polar dielectric in the absence of electric field, external electric field is always zero, so that this substance is in non-polarized state. This is first, as shown in figure 1. Is zero